In this video, I'll be showing you how to use a compass on your Android phone. It's a very easy method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's actually very easy to go ahead and do this. So you actually have a built-in application. So what you want to do is go over to your settings app, then go over and find display. Once you're in display, click on it and then go over to edge panels. And once you see edge panels, ensure that it is turned on. Now, once you do that, you got to add the tools. So tap panels. And then once you go ahead and tap panels, ensure that you check the box for tools. So go into it, and then there's going to be a lot of different things, and make sure tools is turned on. Now tap the three dots on the tools and select compass, or just press edit, and you want it to use your location data. Now once you've done that, all you want to do is go back to your home screen, and on the top right, you're going to see that little icon, that little edge handle. So what you want to do is swipe leftwards on that, and then you should see your compass. If you don't see it the first time, you might see it like this. So swipe left again, and it's going to say tilt and rotate your phone back and forth, because it's going to be collaborating the compass. And then as you can see, the compass is now working for me. And yeah, that's literally it. Once you have the compass, you can move it around, and you're going to be able to use the compass very easily. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.